My name is Florence Micol. I'm from Accenture. The idea of these workshops and the structure we proposed, it's coming from what the client wanted. And the idea was to look into how we can structure their data using Salesforce, then how can we leverage the business processes in Salesforce, like the sales life cycle, to ending into the marketing activities and marketing engagement.
Hello, my name is Julio Perez Garcia. I'm a Marketing and Communications Coordinator for the Groupe Chevalley. The situation we face is peculiar. We represent 10 brands, and one of the big challenges for us is to synchronize and optimize the lead management systems that are owned by the car makers we represent with the softwares and CRM we own internally in the Groupe Chevalley. The point for us would be to create a smoother customer journeys and also to increase the conversion rate of the leads we receive.
Hello, my name is Davide Chevalley. I'm a senior manager in Accenture. So the target for Monday was to draw high level what would be their solution and their customer journey to be. On Tuesday instead, we started the day with the idea of dig deeper a little bit the different features of Salesforce. On Wednesday, the work was really split. Some of the guys were really working on the demo, and some of them were actually working on the presentation. So this morning on Thursday, we just review all together. Now we are planning to do a quick rehearsal of the presentation, and then we present to the client. And we will have a lot of fun.